How to install and sign up your Outlook account. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can install and sign up for your Outlook account. So if you want to sign up to your Outlook account, you have to follow this simple step. First of all, you have to go to your Play Store or Apple Store according to your device. And once you are here, you have to navigate to your search bar and search for the Outlook. And you have to install the Microsoft Outlook on your device. Once the installation has been successfully completed, you have to tap on the open option. So wait until the installation has been completed on your device. Once Outlook has been successfully installed, you have to tap on the open option here. And here you can see that you can create your new account or go for the add your account here. If you have already an account of your Outlook, just go for the add. And if you want to create a new one, just go and create a new one like this. So here you can see that. After that, just go for the next option. So you have to write your name that is here. So here you have to create your password on your Outlook. After creating the password, just go for the next option and you can save your password too. And you have to write your name here and just go for the next option. And you have to also write your birth date here. Just go and select your birth date and go for the next option. And after that, you have to follow the on-screen instruction that here. So here you can see that you have to solve the puzzle. After solving the puzzle, the verification is completed that you are human. So after following the on-screen instruction, you will be successfully log in or sign up to your Outlook account here. So here you can see that you will successfully create a new account on your Outlook like this. So here you can see that you have been successfully created an account on your Outlook. So this is the simple step how you can install and sign up for your new account on your Outlook. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.